Hey, coach, you won't believe it. They were like, for somebody who's never developed, you have such big goals and uh, big ambition. How do you plan on doing this? You have low experience. Boy, I messaged you and I told them, look, my coach, my mentor has a project that's sold out in Atlanta. But boy, he even broke ground. You should have saw their faces. Oh my God, their faces was like so in shock. And I told him about the local builder I'll be partnering up with, and they had to fact check him, and it was super exciting, man. I was so happy that I could use you as a reference. You saved me, man. Thank you so much.
Hey, Sheila, congrats. Hey, that put a smile on my face. Congrats on the commitment letter. That's one of the first steps. And let's keep it moving, man. I'm happy for you. Um, Dang, man. I mean, you've been engaged ever since you've been in the group. You've been asking questions. You come to the lives, and I just hope you could be an example to other people in the group that are kind of scared to ask their own questions. Don't be afraid, man. Ask away. That's why I created this platform. So, Sheila, congrats. Let's stay out there, and I appreciate you staying engaged.